Best deals.
1. Ceramic pan. Comes with a verified lab report proving 100% freedom from microplastics, PFAS, Teflon, lead, mercury, and 300 plus toxins, so every meal is as clean as it is delicious. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Iron pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the 13 cm by 36 cm pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. This non-stick fry pan delivers effortless food release with half the oil. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cookware set. This versatile set is perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks, from sautéing to deep frying, offering convenience and flexibility in your kitchen. Designed to provide even heat distribution, ensuring your food is cooked thoroughly and evenly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Muffin tray. Includes a premium 6-cavity muffin pan and 100 muffin liners, perfect for baking cupcakes, muffins, tarts, and more. Ideal for home bakers and baking enthusiasts. Made from premium, BPA-free carbon steel, this muffin tray is designed for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tray with handles was artfully crafted with all of your needs in mind. It's perfect for serving dinner, cocktails, tea or as vintage coffee table decor. Use them as food trays for eating on the couch, an ottoman tray, a laptop bed tray for watching Netflix or working from home, a coffee table organizer, or a chic decorative centerpiece. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Glass cleaner. With strong double-sided magnetic design, this magnetic window cleaner enables you to clean your windows without risking standing at the window, the best tool for cleaning high-rise glass. This cleaner is specially for 18 to 30 mm thickness window, so the magnetism is strong enough. Magnet window cleaner comes with long and safe anti-falling rope. When you use it, the rope should be tied to your hand to prevent the window cleaner falling down. You can clean the outside window by standing in the room and wipe the glass more securely. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Potato masher. Suitable for sweet potato, cauliflower, parsnip, hygienic and easy to clean after use. Made from high-quality stainless steel material. New style of masher that delivers professional results utilizing a ricking plate over a wire masher. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Waffle maker machine. You can enjoy making classic waffles and a variety of delicious breakfast in a few minutes. Mix it with your favorite egg, grilled cheese, hash browns, biscuit pizzas, paninis, cookies and etc. This is great for families and busy people. Simply plug it in and preheat the waffle iron machine. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Egg boiler machine. Cook up to 7 eggs using egg boiler. Choose from 3 different ways to boil or steam, soft, medium and hard. This egg boiler turns off automatically after the egg boils, so you don't have to constantly check on your eggs. Egg boiler keeps you safe with overheat protection, making sure your cooking experience is worry-free. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Silicone tray. A must-have accessory for kitchen enthusiasts seeking to enhance their air frying experience. This silicone tray for air fryer is designed to fit seamlessly into most standard air fryer, UN solution for a mess-free cooking. The unique design of the silicone air fryer tray features raised ridges, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. The silicone mold for air fryer is ideal for baking, roasting, and reheating, making it an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Egg rings. It is an ideal choice for making hamburgers, breads, patties, omelets and pancakes. The handle of our egg ring has a silicone anti-scalding cover, which can prevent fingers from being scalded when using, so that you can easily take out the egg ring from the pot. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Piping bags. Great for all your baking and decorating adventures. Used to decorating cake, cupcakes, cookies, candy, fondants, pies, donuts, etc. The possibilities are endless. This piping bag is reusable. These cake decoration items, piping bags with nozzles set for cake decoration. Cotton exterior provides for excellent control and grip. Food grade interior helps with smoother icing flow and easy cleanup. This reusable professional piping bag is made from high-quality cotton bag with inner side food-grade plastic laminated. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cleaning brush. Featuring ultra-fine pet bristles that are much harder than a toothbrush, the mini gap cleaning brush thin can go deep into cracks, and clean small gaps is no longer difficult. Hard bristle gap cleaning brush. Gap cleaning brush has super thin and narrow brush body. There is no harm to tiles, easy reaching and cleaning the dead corners. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dosa tawa. From frying eggs to sautéing vegetables or making aloo tikki, enjoy stick-free cooking. Free from microplastics, Teflon, PFAS, lead, mercury and 300 plus toxins. Cook without forever chemicals and toxic fumes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Deep Fry Net Spoon. Is designed for deep frying, puri frying, and other cooking tasks, making it an essential kitchen tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Great helper and strain in all way. Strainers for kitchen steel achieve perfect crispy results with our stainless steel deep fry net spoon. Crafted from durable stainless steel. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Knives. Includes chef's knife, cleaver, bread knife, utility knife, fruit knife, and clear acrylic stand, everything a home cook needs for precision prep. Each blade features a luxe wood texture coating, combining durability with timeless kitchen style. Specially designed blade surface resists food adhesion for smoother slicing and easier cleanup. From chopping and slicing to fruit prep and cutting bread, this versatile set covers all everyday kitchen tasks. Comes with a sleek acrylic stand that keeps knives organized, visible, and safely out of the way. Crafted for long-term performance and consistent cutting. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Features unique diagonal ridges and a specially designed lip for efficient water drainage directly into the sink, making it easy to clean and hygienic to use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink. Hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning. 9-liter capacity is perfect for small spaces while providing ample storage. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Oil dispenser. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The glass is designed to protect contents from light, preserving the quality and freshness of oils and seasonings for longer storage times. Featuring a wider diameter, this oil pot allows for quick and mess-free refilling. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this kitchen organizer rack offers exceptional stability and strength. Designed for daily use, it keeps your cookware secure, tidy, and easy to reach for convenient cooking. Keep your cookware neat and accessible with this adjustable tawa stand for kitchen storage. Perfect for organizing pans, lids, and trays while saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Popsicle mold. The BPA-free silicone popsicle molds ensures no harm to your homemade popsicles, perfectly matches the reusable plastic popsicle sticks in keeping you and your family healthy. These ice cream mold feature minimize leaks with the included lid and keep other freezer odors out of your fun-flavored ice pops with our silicone ice cream mold. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Strainer. The perfect way to enjoy a cup of fresh brew tea. Filter your favorite loose tea leaves with our easy-to-use and clean tea filters. Made of good quantity 304 grade stainless steel, long-lasting durability for a long time use. Hang the ball from your teapot or pan handle with the attached hook. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Egg Poacher. Experience effortless food release. Crafted from 100% premium food-grade silicone, these cups are naturally non-stick and BPA-free. Your eggs will slide out smoothly without any messy residue, preserving the perfect shape and making cleanup a breeze. These multipurpose molds are heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safe for use in air fryers, microwaves, ovens, and steamers. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Chopper. High-quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting. Large detachable container which can also be used to store vegetable and fruits in refrigerator. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Plates. Crafted from high-quality, lead-free ceramic with a smooth finish that is stain-proof and long-lasting. Safe for reheating food in the microwave and easy cleaning in the dishwasher, making it convenient for everyday use. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Spice Rack. Carousel design for easy access to spice collection. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic. Easy-to-use jars with 3 holes and easily twistable lids. Easy to clean, refillable jars compatible with dishwasher use. Keeps spices fresh and free from odor. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Organizer. With complete installation accessories, you can choose drilling or adhesive mounting. Note: the adhesive installation is suitable for smooth hard surfaces such as ceramic tiles, smooth marbles, glass, metal, and solid wood. This bathroom shelves with 8 removable hooks and 1 towel bar, further increasing storage capacity. It can expand your storage space and organize items in the bathroom and kitchen. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Bucket Spin Mop. Twin bucket spin mop for easy wringing and rinsing. Microfiber technology helps lift and trap dirt with unique easy clean surface for superior clean. Dual refill ensures usage depending on cleaning occasion and frequency and ensures that it lasts longer. 360-degree telescopic handle to reach nooks and corners easily. The handles of this adjustable mop that can be attached or detached to adjust the height of the mop as per the user's convenience. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Chopper. With 100% pure copper winded motor. Efficiently chops, minces, dices carrot, ginger, tomato, onion, garlic, chilies, herbs, fruits, bread or make bread crumbs for professional results. The 600 ml capacity BPA-free transparent container comes with unbreakable plastic body which makes it durable and safe. The multi-splash lid used is a cover of the processing bowl after chopping. Detachable stainless steel twin blades provides efficient chopping and dicing of vegetables. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Casserole. Made with outer material PP in an inner body of 304 high-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Easily removable container and lids for convenient cleaning and maintenance. In addition to its primary function, this device also has the capability to serve as a warming tray. Stylishly designed, high-quality stainless steel serving container with its glass lids, constructed with food-grade materials for safe and hygienic food preparation. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Oven. Step Chef automates every stage of your recipe, time and temperature changes included, while the Mikileg app lets you start, schedule, pause, and monitor remotely with real-time alerts for a truly hands-free cooking experience. Monitor your food at a glance without opening the air fryer basket, reducing heat loss for more consistent cooking results. A built-in interior light lets you clearly see cooking progress, while the durable galvanized steel inner chamber, made without any coatings, ensures safe, reliable performance and long-lasting use. Spacious interior ideal for cooking full meals, roasting whole chickens, or preparing snacks for 4 to 6 people. High-performance heating with adjustable temperature control, 30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius for dehydration and up to 200 degrees Celsius for air frying and grilling. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Glass oil dispenser. Multipurpose use for storing oil such as olive oil, mustard oil, vinegar etc. for kitchen use. Comes with borosilicate glass body with capacity markings along with stainless steel metallic finish lid. Spout mouth for easy pouring. Also comes with a plastic cap to prevent accidental spillover. The manual valve design and the stopper has an entire rubber seal screw. Food-grade soft rubber material can enhance the tightness of the bottle spout and prevent liquid leakage after the oil bottle is tilted. Product link is given in the 32nd link.